to Craftory by PragerU Kids. Crafts, history, and your questions. I'm Jill, and today we're making our very own God Bless America ornament for your Christmas tree or anywhere in your home to celebrate our American values. Here's what you'll need. Clear, round, fillable ornaments. I found these online. Bells for America's Liberty Bell. American coins. Creative trinkets you enjoy that remind you of America. I've got some stars and red, white, and blue for our flag, some ocean trinkets and charms to represent from sea to shining sea. I bet you can find some fun stuff around your house too. And ribbon. Oh, we've got a question.
Does everyone in America celebrate Christmas?
This is an important question, and the answer is no. America is a unique place that allows all of us to have different religious beliefs and celebrations. In the winter, Christians have Christmas, Jews have Hanukkah, Buddhists have Bodhi Day, and there are countless other holidays that are not necessarily based in religion during wintertime too. Each American has a right to worship and believe any faith we choose. And who gives us this right? God. America's Declaration of Independence, written by our founding fathers, states that all of our rights as human beings are given to us by God, the same God from the Hebrew and Christian Bibles. For that reason, America was founded on what's called Judeo-Christian values. So it's true that not everyone in America celebrates Christmas, but these Judeo-Christian values are at the very core of who America is. Okay, let's make our ornament. You can make as many as you want with family and friends. It's a great activity for the holiday season. I'm gonna start with our red, white, and blue to represent our flag. Courage, justice, perseverance, bravery, valor, purity. These are the qualities that our American flag represents. You can roll it up. Roll it up, it's a little tricky. Next, our American coins. Can you guess why I'm including these? Our three American mottos, Liberty, E Pluribus Unum, and In God We Trust, are on every single American coin. Drop them in your ornament. Jingle bells are usually for Christmas, but today they kind of remind me of our Liberty Bell in Philadelphia. Our Liberty Bell is one of America's oldest symbols of freedom and justice. Drop them in. Ah! Red, white, and blue. Confetti. From sea to shining sea. Okay, we got it. Fold it all in. This is the easiest activity you can do, but it has a lot of meaning behind it. Okay. Snap it. There it is. Tie a ribbon on it and you're done. Ta-da! Some facts about Christmas in America. On Christmas in 1776, George Washington crossed the Delaware River and saved the American Revolution by winning the Battle of Trenton. In 1870, President Ulysses S. Grant signed a law that made Christmas a national holiday. He hoped that having a shared holiday could unite America after a very difficult Civil War. And in 1968, on Christmas, the Apollo 8 crew was the first to enter the moon's orbit. Later that night, they read from the book of Genesis, from the Bible, to a worldwide audience of millions. Christmas is about faith, family, and giving, and these are ideas that all Americans can celebrate, even if we have different religious beliefs. We hope you had fun. If you've got ideas or questions for our next Craftory, send them our way. Keep crafting, keep learning, and keep celebrating land of the free and home of the brave. God bless America. All right. I got a tree to hang this on. Bye, guys. Thank you for watching this video. To keep PragerU videos free, please consider making a tax-deductible donation.